What help would a McKenzie friend give in a remote court hearing? That's the question that we're going to answer in this short video. My name's Graham Fletcher, McKenzie friend, an experienced McKenzie friend of many years, and I love supporting people to go through the court process without using a solicitor. So at a remote court hearing, what I tend to do is meet my client half an hour beforehand on a video call service, and we will discuss the case. We will perhaps discuss the pre-court coaching session that we've had, where I've explained how family courts work. We will refresh our memory on the aims that you've got for this particular hearing and the potential different paths that it might take in the court process. I'll refresh your memory about that, and we'll discuss about making all the key points, and we'll look at some written notes that you might have to remind yourself. During the court hearing, I'll be told that I'm not allowed to speak for you. I can only take notes. So I will be making notes on my computer listening into the hearing. But I can also interrupt that process to text you if I think that the judge or the lawyer says anything that's important that I need to check in with you that you understand and you might want to then respond to. And sometimes that's quite fast moving, that process, and so it's really great to have somebody experienced with you who's not too flustered by the court process and hasn't got the emotional connection to the case to have an eagle eye for what happens and to share that with you. That can really help you because you're able to go, okay, that's an important detail, and it will enable you to kind of bring up that particular point with the judge. And sometimes it's really important to have an eye for detail because there's little details to court orders that can really matter when you're away from the court and you've got to come to an agreement with the other parent. So that's one of the benefits of having that note-taking and private messaging support. Afterwards, you'll be supplied with the notes from the court hearing by me, and you'll be able to compare them with the draft order that the solicitor for the other party draws up for the judge. They've got to send it to you before they send it to the judge to see if it's a proper record of what went on, and you'll be able to use my notes to compare with theirs, and there may be some things that you might want to dispute with the solicitor, or the solicitor may have forgotten to put in that benefit you. So that can help you. I'll explain everything without legal jargon. I don't use legalese like solicitors do, and my focus is trying to mentor you to get the best outcome for your family and to feel really confident that you stood up for yourself and you did so calmly and with assurance. So if that's the kind of support you would like, get in touch with me. I'd love to help you. I'm passionate about helping people through family courts without high legal bills. All my contact details are down in the information box below, and I wish you all the best. Take care.